here's the thing. So going into this, you have to know, look, you see how small these reds were? Look. So doing it, you have to already know, like, hey, man, look, how long is this theoretically going to last? Do you see this?
Not long.
Yeah. So it's like, yes, you can, but you better know that it might not go your way because the odds are you've already had 1, 2. This is the third chance. You're going against the grain, right? So again,
Yeah.
you could do it, but just know you're going against the grain, right? So you're already it's going to be an uphill battle. So again, if I'm looking for a trade, this isn't it, right?
Okay.
Like I could, but I'm telling you, you're going against the grain. So check this out. So this is kind of like your SPY situation. Look how many chops. This was all garbage right here. See it? But then once it flipped to here, it broke, stayed above VWAP. This was good, but it was harder because up, down, up. But it had some decent interest. But like, look at this. So now I would not touch this to the downside, right? Even if a 2 minute showed me. Look how short these downsides are.